So welcome to Academia. My name is Brian, and today we are going to proceed with our discussion on limits, and particularly today we are going to talk about one-sided limits and the other types of limits which are double-sided. And for this one, it is pretty much easy to conclude because one thing if you just remember a number line, that exactly is what it means. So I'm going to discuss about these limits, left-handed limits and the right-handed limits. And after that, I'm going to talk about continuity. I'm going to talk about continuity, and you shall see that even the direction of a limit really matters in continuity, right? So when you have a limit that is approaching a positive value, so for instance, we have something like limit as x approaches a, and a is a positive value, all right, of f of x is equals to L, isn't it? So this one is a right-handed limit. Okay, so I'll just write here that this one is right-handed. So if I draw a number line, all right, and I have 0, of course here I have -1, I have -2, and I have +1. But instead of the positive, we can just write 1. So 2, 3. So when you look, this is the left-hand side, okay? And this is the right-hand side. And that is where it gets the name right-handed what? Right-handed limit, all right? So A takes a positive value from 0 going this way. So this is the right-hand side. So this is where we call a right-sided limit. But if our variable, okay, if our variable now is proceeding towards the left-hand side, so now it will be written as limit as x approaches a, but now in this negative side direction of f of x is equals to L, then this is going to be a left-sided limit, okay? A left-sided limit. So that means our limit is working from 0 going this side, all right? So that one is a left-sided limit. So normal limits are usually two-sided limits, all right? So I'll just write here. So I will say that normal limits, these ones are usually two-sided limits, all right, the normal ones. But of course, you can have functions that usually take a different shape in such a way that you cannot have a left-handed sided limit, all right? So then we proceed to another concept known as continuity. And for continuity, this one we shall cover in the next lesson. So thank you. Remember to subscribe to Academia and have a nice time. Thank you.